Hello friends, good evening. Dr. Dhawan here. This session is for the FMG exam of January 17th, 2026. Please do inform your friends also. We'll wait for a minute or so before we start the session. Please send the invite to the other fellow friends who are appearing in the same examination. आप ये लिंक कॉपी कर दो अपने दोस्तों को ताकि एक let's have a group discussion on this actually. Good evening everyone. Good evening. And we'll wait for just a minute, I guess. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. Yes. Good evening. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm absolutely fine. Thank you, Nishant, for asking. Thank you. I hope आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे. प्लीज़ आप एक काम करिए, अपने जो भी फ्रेंड्स अभी फ्री होंगे, आई थिंक क्लासेस ख़त्म हो जाती हैं या आज भी डिनर से पहले का टाइम रखा है मैंने इसीलिए, ताकि हम लोग बात कर पाएँ इस बारे में, बिकॉज अब 85 days वी आर अवे फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन. जस्ट फ्यू मोर सेकेंड वी स्टार्ट इट एक्चुअली. ओके, फाइन. The session is about the FMG examination of January 17, 2026, because we are exactly now you can say 85 days from examination. Okay, fine. Good evening once again. Okay, great, wonderful. So let's start, guys. Good evening once again, and this is Dr. Dhawan, and ये सेशन FMG एग्जाम के बारे में है जो जनवरी 17th 2026 में है, and we are exactly 85 days away from the examination. So please take a pen, paper, preferably write it down, and somebody can, if somebody is good in this thing, they can summarize it or maybe take the screenshots and share it with me in a collaboration. I would happy to do any video snippets of that also. Guys, सबसे important बात, some ground rules at this moment. Hear me please carefully. Guys, number one is, this is the most important part of your preparatory cycle. Some questions are, Dr. Dhawan, अब 85 days रह गए हैं, मैंने अभी तक पढ़ाई नहीं करी है ढंग से. Is it sufficient time to pass the examination? Answer is absolutely yes. But if you'll ask me this question on 24th or 23rd of November, I would not be able to say yes actually. मैं आज सही ईमानदारी से बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर आप आज 23rd अक्टूबर को मेरे को पूछते हो कि डॉक्टर धवन 85 days पढ़े हुए हैं, मैंने अभी अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं करी है, मेरा रिवीजन स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, मैंने रिवीजन नहीं किया प्रॉपरली, कोई भी स्टूडेंट ढंग से कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, अगर मैं अब से भी सीरियस हो जाऊंगा तो कैन आई डू द एग्जाम? आंसर इज एब्सोल्युटली यस. बट मैं अगर आप ये सेम क्वेश्चन नवंबर 23rd को पहुंचोगे तो मैं ये आंसर यस नहीं बोल पाऊंगा. आई विल बी वेरी ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट विद यू इन दिस सेशन. This session is not about motivation. The last thing I want to do in this session is motivation actually, because I don't trust motivation. Because motivation मतलब मेरे को better पता है तुम्हारी लाइफ के बारे में as compared to you. I think that's not correct. You are very wise people, mature people, adults over here. तुम्हें पता है कि in 85 days का क्या repercussion होगा on the coming life actually. और मुझे एक चीज बताओ, अगर तुम ये बोलो कि डॉक्टर धवन मोटिवेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, लाइक अगर मैं क्रॉस कर लेता हूं, यू आर सिटिंग हियर एंड मैं वहां बैठा होता हूं, जस्ट एक चीज अपने आप को पूछ के देखो, इफ दीज 85 days की मेहनत विल गिव सम नेम, सम मीनिंग टू लास्ट 6 years ऑफ माई लाइफ, वाई शुड आई नॉट स्टडी? मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, क्यों नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए? और तुम्हें क्यों नहीं पढ़ना है? मतलब क्यों, वाई यू आर फीलिंग लेथार्जिक, वाई यू आर फीलिंग कि भाई नहीं होगा, डर लग रहा है, मेरे से इतने 90 स्टूडेंट मैं कैसे करूंगा? सबने पहले करके पास किए हैं पेपर, हम भी करेंगे. और अगर एक चीज इससे सेशन से लेके जाना चाहते हो घर पे, यू आर योर फाइनल मोटिवेटर, यू आर योर लास्ट मोटिवेटर, एंड देयर इज नोबडी यू कैन मोटिवेट यू, बिकॉज यू आर अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल यंग पर्सन हु नोस कि अगर मुझे फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना है तो मुझे ये एग्जाम जल्दी पास करना है. एफएमजी में एफ जो है इज financial independence. This all is about financial independence of human being. You have to become financially independent. उसके लिए ये एग्जाम एक गेटवे ओपन करेगा. तो why can't we really do a lot of hard work to make sure कि हमारे चांस ऑफ पासिंग द एग्जाम आर वेरी वेरी हाई. Nobody can guarantee 100% सक्सेस रेट. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा एंड मैं आई कांट से कि ये कर लो और ये होता है. मैं ये बोलूंगा ये करने से पास होने के चांस बढ़ जाते हैं. So number one thing is, please get into super dedicated phase of this preparatory cycle now, because this is going to really make a lot of difference in your life overall also and your families also. If your parents are close by, ask them. उनको भी तो लग रहा होगा कि तुम पास हो जाओगे तो उनका भी थोड़ा खून बढ़ जाएगा. दे विल बी फीलिंग मोर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट देयर ओन लाइफ ऑल्सो इन द फ्यूचर. और जो इन्वेस्टमेंट उन्होंने तुम्हारे पे किया, मनी का, ट्रस्ट का, रिसोर्सेस का, टाइम का, दैट विल बी फ्रूट कन्वर्टेड इनटू समथिंग ओवर देयर. मैं ये नहीं कहता अचानक पैसे आ जाएंगे, नॉट लाइक दैट, बट दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप योर फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस. लेट अस टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप वेरी फास्ट ओवर देयर. तो गाइस, आज के बाद ना बट ये मोटिवेशन को खत्म करते हैं. आज के बाद तुम्हें ये पता मुझे पढ़ना है. आई हैव टू स्टडी. अगर मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा हूं तो मैं अपने साथ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ गलत कर रहा हूं. डॉक्टर दमन, मेरे को बहुत लो फील होता है, मेरा लास्ट टाइम नहीं हुआ. आई कुड नॉट क्लियर द एग्जाम लास्ट टाइम, लास्ट टू लास्ट टाइम, और आई एम अ फर्स्ट टाइमर. आई एम ऑलरेडी सफरिंग फ्रॉम फियर ऑफ फेलियर. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू, सबको डर लगता है. डॉक्टर दमन, अगर आपका एग्जाम होता, कोई भी एग्जाम होता, जब आपने दिया होगा नीट पीजी या फिर एमआरसीएस ईएनटी, तो क्या आपको डर नहीं लग रहा था? एब्सोल्युटली लग रहा था. डर के बिना कुछ नहीं होता. डर इज पार्ट ऑफ द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ. The negativity is part of the human mind activity. Nobody can be positive. Be positive. कुछ नहीं होता भाई. People will say be positive. Be positive blood group होता है. Try to remain positive. आज से change करते हैं. Be positive नहीं होता. Try to remain positive actually. Every day there will be 20% time of the day will be getting negative thoughts. Fear of failure. डर लगेगा, नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, दोबारा नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा. लेकिन हमने उसको चू नहीं करना, थॉट को छोड़ के पढ़ाई करनी है. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, as far as possible, do not change your GPS location. आप जहां पे बैठ के पढ़ रहे हो, you have to continue there only. Same library, same room, same hostel, same food, same tiffin, same breakfast, same everything should be there, except for few circumstances. Number 1, financial problem may be there. Your course getting over in your institute, you want to go back. फाइनेंशियली अगर बहुत बड़ा दिक्कत है, यू कैन कंसिडर दैट. नंबर 2, कोई घर पे बीमार है, somebody is not well at house, you can think about going home. 3rd, घर का एनवायरनमेंट बहुत ही ज्यादा पॉजिटिव है, कोई भी नेगेटिविटी नहीं है. पेरेंट्स कभी कुछ नहीं पूछते आपको, पेरेंट्स कभी नहीं पूछते तक इतना लेट क्यों सोया हुआ है. कोई रिलेटिव घर पे नहीं आता तंग करने के लिए आपको. कोई रिलेटिव ये नहीं पूछता आपको कि बेटा इस बार हो जाएगा, पास तो हो जाएगा. तो अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन नहीं है तो इन 3 रेयरेस्ट ऑफ सिनेरियोज के अलावा प्लीज डू नॉट चेंज योर जीपीएस लोकेशन. एंड next thing is, repeaters don't repeat the same mistakes. I know I want to talk to the multi-repeaters right now. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time repeater also. Please hear me carefully. And I will be sorry, I'll be brutally honest with you. You are doing the same mistake again and again. Please understand that. आपने कुछ सब्जेक्ट छोड़े हुए हैं, शॉर्टकट्स किए हुए हैं, आप उनको भी अभी भी शॉर्टकट करते चले जा रहे हो. प्लीज डू नॉट डू दैट मिस्टेक. अगर हमारा वीक सब्जेक्ट वीक ही रहेगा तो नंबर का सीक्वेंस भी वही रहेगा. I want each one of you to pass the examination, but let us do the right things for the right results. Let us not repeat the same mistakes, and the first timer learn from these mistakes. If you are leaving medicine, it's disaster, I'm telling you. If you're leaving pharmacology, it's disaster. If your gynae is not strong, it's a disaster. If you don't like pathology, that's your problem, but pathology would be definitely asked properly. Biochemistry you don't like, that is none of examiner business, that's your business. You have to correct it. So guys, please mark my word as an elder brother over here. Hear me as an elder brother, not as a faculty or ENT educator. Hear me as an elder brother telling you what will work in our case. Weak subjects have to become comfortably okay for us. You can't do complete central nervous system from medicine. Okay, I understand that. Because if you don't know spinocerebellar ataxias, I can still think no problem, you are pass. But if you don't know Parkinsonism, you don't know epilepsy, and you don't know stroke, and you do not know multiple sclerosis, you don't know myasthenia gravis or Guillain-Barré syndrome, please then come next time. I'm sorry to say that, don't mind my words, but let us do the right thing for the right results. Enough is enough. 18-19% result every time is actually a pain for us also as faculties. It is bothering us also. I think अगर मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, नाकामियों के बहाने हजारों होंगे पर जिम्मेदारी हमारी भी बनती है. मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ, नाकामियों के बहाने हजारों होंगे पर जिम्मेदारी हमारी भी बनती है. अगर तुम्हारी बनती है स्टूडेंट की तो हमारी भी बनती है फैकल्टी की. प्रॉबेबली हमने भी कुछ गलत किया है शायद. क्या? Probably we have been pampering you just like school kids actually. That is not going to work out, and I am being very, very, very brutally honest with you. Sorry for that, because only one desire at the core of my heart, only one prayer in my brain is right now. May you all pass the exam with a good score, wonderful score. But for that, let us do the right thing actually. If you are leaving your weak subject weaker only, please do not expect a good result this time. Let us make our weak subjects comfortably stronger, comfortably okay. You don't know CN, I told you, at least do the 9 topics over there, na. You tell me, if you don't know the difference between sinus tachycardia and ventricular tachycardia on ECG, are you safe for the patient? Tell me yes or no. If you are not knowing the difference between sinus tachycardia and ventricular tachycardia on ECG, do you know that it is safe for the patient? Or you don't know how to differentiate atrial flutter from atrial fibrillation in the ECG, do you think it's right for the patient to be exposed to you as an intern? The answer will be no. We cannot really do that. But yes, you can always fine tune those subjects which you find little challenging for yourself. You have to make sure that your 5 subjects are absolutely stronger. Number 1 bet is gynae ops. Number 2 is surgery. Number 3 is pharma. Number 4 is pathology. And number 5 is PSM. These 5 subjects should become the champions for you. I can understand sometimes medicine become overwhelming for you, but you can always look at the previous year topics and all that and do those critical, parts of the notes definitely properly. But do not leave the subject altogether. That's not advisable. Now, be uni-focused. Be uni-focused means right now you might have certain other issues to be taken care of. Like last time you could not pass, or last time also could not pass, or maybe the first timer, your parents are saying something which is not really something very pleasant to hear. That creates anxiety within you. कोई पेरेंट्स बोल देते हैं भाई इस बार पास हो जाएगा, पास तो हो जाएगा, भाई पढ़ रहा है कि नहीं पढ़ रहा. That creates anxiety. I can relate to that. Guys, number 2, maybe girlfriend boyfriend relationship. Right now there's no Janu business. There's nothing like that. Only you are your final Janu, the Janu till 17 January 2026. After 5 p.m. on that evening, become everybody's Janu. I don't have any problem. You are the only Janu for yourself for these 85 days now. So no girlfriend, no boyfriend business. If it is not working well, put that to back burner. We'll come to it later on, because true love does not happen one time. True love can also happen 3-4 times actually. That's not a problem actually. So do not, that's not your priority right now. That's not your priority right now. Your priority is your own life, your financial independence. You are not here to cater to the whims and fancies of other people, maybe including a boyfriend or girlfriend or your relatives or your parents also for that matter, or your friends or anyone. Nobody is. If you are having somebody negative in your circle, please block them from your list right now. Please, utterly self-focus is required. Uni-focus, self-focus is required. You will not be able to do justice to biochemistry if you're dealing with the chemistry of the other people also with you. Don't be insecure about people. When you are successful, everyone is with you. When you fail, you cry alone. That's the rule of the life actually. I'm not saying good, bad actually. We all are people. Human psychology work like that. When you cry alone. When you fail, and then you cry alone only. So it's a time to focus on your own life, not to be answerable to anybody's whims and fancies, including each one of the person. You are going to make sure 85 days you invest in your own life to become financially independent at the earliest actually. Now, let me now give you the timelines, everybody. Everyone now hear me carefully. Today is 23rd of October. Now please, somebody has to write it down. 24th October, I made my schedule. If I'm FMG student, if my exam is there on 17th January, what is my schedule? Right now, I have not studied properly. I've been attending classes. I'm a repeater. I did not repeat because I'm feeling depression actually like that. I'm feeling little lost. What is the game plan, Dr. Dhawan, for you if you are out of those kind of people? Then my plan will be 3 now stages of the preparation. The stage 1 will be up till 5th December. Up till 5th December, from today, from 24th October to 5th December, you can learn newer things. Till how long I can do the newer things? Till 5th December, please mark it a cutoff line. After 5th December, you cannot learn anything new. After that, you can revise the data. But till 5th December, you can continue to make your weaker subjects stronger. Okay. So till 5th December, approximately 43 days are there. And in these 43 days, 40 days are for study and 3 grand tests. 3 grand tests have to be given up till 5th of December. And in these 43 days from today to 5th December, 40 days are for your study, but 3 days belong to only grand test. And on the grand test day, we only review the grand test in the evening. We do not study anything else on the grand test. Grand test day is the grand test day. Only grand test to be done in the morning, just like the exact exam. In the evening, review all 300 questions, learn from mistakes. You score 136, 123, 148, 149, 161. I don't have any problem with that. Did you learn from your mistakes in 300 questions? Did you revise what you forgot in these 300 questions? That's my main concern. So GT day is a GT day. Without GT review, the GT becomes a source of depression. But with the GT review, the GT becomes a source of illumination for all of us. Let us convert the grand test psychology. Grand tests have become a source of assessment for each one of us. That's a wrong psychology. Change it. Grand test will become a source of assistive technology for us. It's assistive technology to simulate the exam and to learn the pressure of handling 300 questions. So till 5th December, everybody should have given 3 grand tests mandatory. Now, the second phase of the preparation is 6th December to 6th January. 6th December to 6th January is the second part 2. Up till 5th December, part 1, keep learning newer things. Keep revising all the stronger subject. Keep revising all the other subjects also. Keep doing. Complete one cycle of revision till 5th December. Now 6th December to 6th January, approximately 31 days are there. You have to do one more revision of the whole content now, but nothing new will be learned in the second phase now. In this 6th December to 6th January, you have to do 2 grand tests. 2 grand tests and 1 grand test before 31st December and 1 grand test will be between 1st January to 5th January. So in the phase 1, 3 grand tests. In the phase 2, you will be giving 2 grand tests, 1 before 31st December and 1 between 1st January and 5th January. So 3 plus 2, 1 grand test. Now in this 30 days of revision, what you have to do is you have to do 1 complete cycle of revision without learning anything new. The new learning ends at 5th of December. Sorry for being repetitive because मेरे को थोड़ा slow समझ आता है. As a student तो मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ, बुरा मत मानना इस बात का क्योंकि मेरे को एक बार में clear नहीं होता है actually. 7th January to 16th January. Now हम लोग दोबारा मिलेंगे. Believe me, we'll meet again on 6th December, on 6th January.